Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from the fermented juice of apples. Rich in antibacterial and antioxidant properties, ACV is touted for health benefits such as helping with blood sugar control. It is used to cook sauces, dressings, and marinades, and as a home treatment for many health ailments. It can also be consumed as a supplement. While many potential uses and claims are not supported by scientific evidence, some suggest some benefits to consuming apple cider vinegar. The two-stage fermentation of applesauce obtains it. The first step happens relatively quickly and involves the conversion of sugar into alcohol by yeast. Before we begin with the video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so you get notified when I come back with another amazing video. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Here are the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 1. May lower blood sugar levels. A 2019 systematic review and meta-analysis found that consumption of apple cider vinegar can help improve glycemic control in healthy individuals and diabetics. Blood sugar control improves more clearly among healthy people when apple cider vinegar is consumed just before a starchy meal. In patients with type 2 diabetes, consuming apple cider vinegar for 12 weeks reduced hemoglobin A1C by 0.16%. However, this effect was not seen in patients who took apple cider vinegar tablets. Notes that the mechanism by which this occurs is still unclear, but studies suggest it may involve activation of the AMPK pathway, increased insulin sensitivity, increased satiety after meals, and slow gastric emptying. Number 2. May lower cholesterol. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to lower total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels in small animal and human studies. Number 3. May provide antibacterial benefits. According to Carrie Gans, a registered dietitian, nutrition counselor, and author of recipes, an in vitro study conducted in 2021 demonstrated the potential effectiveness of ACV against E. coli and MRSA bacteria. This suggests that ACV may help treat such potentially fatal bacterial infections, but you should always consult your doctor if an infection is suspected. Apple cider vinegar is available in forms such as edible vinegar, tablets, capsules, powder, liquid drops, chewing gum, and topical preparations. However, a dietitian noted significant differences between the products. For example, vinegar can contain between 4% and 8% acetic acid, while tablets contain between 1% and 10% acetic acid. She recommends 1 to 2 teaspoons to 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar a day, which can be added to salads or diluted with water or drinks before meals. The dietitian states it's too much at over 4 ounces. Check the description below for our recommended best apple cider vinegar packs. Risks and side effects of apple cider vinegar. Some people should avoid consuming ACV altogether, including those with apple and pectin allergies, pregnant or breastfeeding women. And also people taking diuretics, digoxin, and similar medications, as insulin may increase the risk of severe hypokalemia. So, this is everything you need to know about apple cider vinegar. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar? Share your experience in the comments section below. If you enjoyed watching the video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.